Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can log in and set up YouTube Kids app account. So if you want to set up YouTube Kids for your little ones, this tutorial will help you log in and customize your YouTube Kids account quickly and easily. So this is how the YouTube Kids app will look like once you start opening it. So you can just tap on get started, and here let's just skip this. As you guys can see, I've already signed up, so I can just sign in. So you can just tap on sign in here and then click on next. And as you guys can see, I've already set up profiles for my kids, and this is the profile. So if you want to set it up a new profile, you can just tap on the plus icon here, and you need to enter your password. So just sign in, and then you can just set up a new profile by entering your kid's name. And then here you need to also select the age and also the birth month. And here you can just tap on next again. And here this is the default just chosen by the YouTube Kids because I entered the age before. But if you want to, you can also approve the content by yourself by clicking on this. Let's just hit on next again, tap on select, next again, and that's it. You can just open now the profile on your YouTube Kids applications. So this is the new profile. And that's pretty much all. I hope you enjoyed this video, so don't forget to click on the like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks and subscribe. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye.